We know it's important for a business to have a website. In today's world, literally everyone is on the internet all of the time. No matter, it's for buying things, learning a new skill, watching TV, making friends, or anything. So, having an online presence is almost a must if you want to get anywhere. Unfortunately, social media has become so noisy that making an impact and stand out from others became much harder. Well, having a website can make the difference by making a bigger impact. But the question is how? How exactly can a website help your business to stand out? That's what we are going to look into in this video. This video will give you insights on why do you need a website, how to increase sales using website, what are the benefits a website will deliver. Let's jump up to this main part. Why do you need a website? Any business has a primary goal, and that is making money. And to reach this goal it needs two things. First, something that people want, which is the value of the business. And second, a way to reach the people who want it. So, just because a business exists and it's good at what it does, it has great product or service, doesn't mean they are going to make sales. They have to be able to reach to those who might want the service or product. That is marketing. And a website is the place where people go first to learn about your product or services and find information about your business. Among your other social media presences, the website is the online home base of your business. It will promote your business 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. That's why you need it. How to increase sales using website. A website is a powerful marketing tool that can help you grab the attention of your potential customers. Also, it will allow you to reach even to the international customers by breaking the geographical barriers. The more attention it gets, the more sales opportunity arises. Therefore, a professional-looking website needs to be built. So, don't forget to check out these main features while building your business website. Well-designed, user-friendly, mobile-friendly, easy navigation, social media integration. If your website is missing any of these, consider the fact that you are driving your potential customers towards your business competitor's site. What are the benefits a website will deliver? From the two main things to reach the business goal, most business owners can easily do the first one. They know how to create value, provide something that a certain group of people will love to have. But what they do struggle with is the second point. That is reaching out to those people to sell the product or service. Or they don't know how to make customers take action. And that is where the real value of a website. Let's check this point in and out. First of all, as the website will allow to cross the geographical boundary, you will have time to deal with new customers. And that's how your business growth initiates. On top of that, they will easily find your business 24/7 on the internet. Now, you can enjoy your holidays without closing your shop's shutter. You don't have to be physically present to talk with your valued customers. Rather, customer will receive all the information directly from the website. Also, who don't have time to go to a physical store will get a product or service that they may dream about for ages through your website. How convenient is this, right? A website is itself a whole promotional stuff. So, you don't have to pay extra money to promote your business. Moreover, website will work as a medium of communication. You can educate your customer by both sharing your stories and hearing their pains. Besides, you can keep tracking of your buyer personas of your website. It will help you to get important insights about your buyer's taste and choices. Also, help you while making your future business strategies. Lastly, shifting your business to a new place won't be your headache anymore. Your customers can still find you just browsing your URL in the global search box. What else do you need to consider if your business need a website or not? Right? So why wait so long? Help your business to grow faster with a good-looking, user-friendly website. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned with us for more exciting video. Like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family.